Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to gather opinions from your friends and colleagues, or just want to make group decisions more efficiently. So today I'm going to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, select the group where you want to create a poll. Once you have selected the chat, tap on this paperclip icon located at the right side of the text input field. In this menu, to create a poll, simply tap on this poll icon. Here, first type in your question. For example, I will type in, what do you like for snacks? After typing the question, you can add options below for people to choose from. Once you have entered the question and options, tap on this button to send the poll to your chat interface. After that, you now have successfully created a poll on WhatsApp. The participants in the group will now see the question with the options listed below. They can simply tap on the option they prefer and their vote will be recorded. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a poll on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a poll on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.